Let's go ahead and open up the passenger side door. Now we need to open up the glove box. Whatever's in the glove box, get it out because we have to get the glove box out of there. First thing, grab that dampener arm and pull it out straight and push it in to get it out of the way. Now we need to squeeze the glove box from both the sides at the same time, and that helps us get the glove box out of the way completely. Now inside there is the cabin air filter. Just grab it and pull it out. It should just come right out. Slides out, and there you go. Now this is the top side of the filter, the dirty side. As you can see, all the dirt is trapped over here. This is the bottom side, the clean side. So the way it works is outside air comes from the top, all the dirt gets trapped there, and then clean air from the bottom goes in the car. The reason why it works this way is so that when you pull the filter out, all the dirt stays trapped on the filter. There's also an arrow on the filter that indicates the airflow from top to bottom. Put the new filter back in. I'm just going to put this used filter back in for now. Put it back in all the way. When you put the glove box in, you see those two cutouts over there. They go on those two circular hinges, and just make sure it goes in at the same angle that I'm showing. That's the trick. Once it goes in at that angle, it should just slide right on. Otherwise you'll have a hard time putting it back on. Just goes on, and now you need to push the glove box in with force. If you do it slowly, it will not work. Just do it with force and it should just go back in. Get the dampener arm now and put it back on and push it on to secure it. Let's try this out. The glove box is working fine, and that's about it. Hope you found the video useful. Before we go, let me just give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.